Welcome everyone to my channel Taj Edge Online Classes. In the series of Statistics for Business Decision 1 for first semester BBA students of Bengaluru City University, I have started with Unit 2 Data Collection, Organization and Visualization. In my previous videos, I have already discussed the syllabus and the data information concept in video 1, and in video 2 the concept of data in a business environment. In the video 3, the concept of collection of data along with the techniques of data collection, and in the video 4, the concept of classification of data along with the methods of classification of data and need and importance of classification data. After that, I have discussed the concept of tabulation of data and parts of a table in video 5, and in video 6, diagrammatic presentation of the data along with the types of diagrams. In the video 7, I have discussed the types of bar diagram, that is simple bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, subdivided bar diagram, as well as percentage bar diagram, along with one more topic, that is pie diagram, pie chart. And in this video, I'll be discussing on the question bank for this unit. What kind of questions will be asked in the examination? So this unit focuses on the total 14 marks or 16. The question can be asked from the two questions can be asked from section A, totaling to 4 marks, or even a 3 questions. Okay. A section B 5 marks question can be 1 question of total of 5 marks, and in section D skill development there will be 1 question, because from this unit only there are 3 questions of skill. So out of those 3 questions, the chances of seeing at least 1 question is like 75%. Okay. Oh, you need to learn this all the 3 skill development questions, and 5 marks. Obviously, it is so simple problems on tabulation, and the 2 marks they make theory questions. So next, what can be the questions asked in section A? The 2 marks questions, very short answer type questions, can be what is the data in a business environment, that is 2 marks, simple definition, which I have already given in the previous slides, previous videos, which you can watch and practice the answers for these questions. Next, question 2, give one example of data used in business decision. Question 3, what is census technique? Question 4, define sampling technique. Question 5, write one difference between census and sampling technique. Question 6, mention any one advantage of sampling technique. Question 7, what is classification of data? Question 8, name any 2 methods of classification of data. Question 9, define tabulation. Question 10, name any 2 parts of a table. Question 11, what is stub in a table? Okay. Next, question 12, what is the purpose of a footnote in a statistical table? Question 13, what is a bar diagram? Question 14, what is a pie diagram? Question 15, name any 2 types of bar diagrams. Question 16, what is meant by multiple bar diagram? Okay. Apart from this, there can be many other questions, but my suggestion is, if you from this, that will be useful for you. You don't need to worry more. Next, section B, there can be theory questions also in the section B, and the most importantly, they have mentioned that they ask questions, numerical problems on tabulation, simple problems. What can be the theory questions here? First one, explain the techniques of data collection, census and sampling techniques that you have to write. If in case they ask you, 5 marks. Or explain the meaning and methods of classification of data. You need to, which is already been covered in my, and go watch it, learn the answer properly. And the 4th question, explain various types of bar diagram. All these 3 are theory questions. All these 3 are theory questions. Whereas this 3rd one, problems on tabulation of data, are numerical questions. What kind of numerical questions they may ask in the examination? Here you can see I have taken it from the state board first PUC uh, state board syllabus problems on tabulation question bank from the government of Karnataka website only. So here see, this serial number is not from 13-15, but you can just get the question serial number, the question kind of small problems for your examination. I've given you all different types of problems and also practice questions based on the previous year question which is being asked in the first semester BBA 2024 question paper of your seniors. You can practice that questions that will help you to score 5 marks in examination. Along with that, section D, 5 marks skill development questions. There are 3 questions from this unit. There are total of 4 questions, but the 4th question is from the unit 3. Leaving that question, other 3 questions are from this. To prepare a pie chart with imaginary figure, I have given a imaginary figure which you can use it and prepare a pie chart using scale, compass, protractor, pencil, eraser, everything. Okay, on your own. You can take a screenshot of this and prepare it on your own on a sheet of paper in a notebook. Next, prepare a blank table and mention the parts of a table. I have given the table here and also mention the parts of a table with proper name of the part of the table and description of that, which you have to write properly in the exam. If they ask you, you have to draw the table. Along with that, you need to write the explanation properly. Then only you will get 5 out of 5. Okay, or else you will get only 2 out of 5 marks. Okay, next, prepare a subdivided bar chart with imaginary figure. I have given a table here. Using that, you can draw a subdivided bar chart on your own. Okay, in the classroom I will be explaining it for my student. For other students, your teacher will be explaining it, or even I will be making some videos on this in the future, uploading that by one. You can watch it, learn it by yourself. Okay, that is about the whole unit of SPD 1 unit 2 relating to your data collection organization. I hope that this of the unit 2 has helped you a lot to learn the subject. I also expect that you properly prepare for this units. Don't ignore this unit thinking that this is for a less marks, because this is not for a less marks. This unit, second unit, this is most important if you are in any competitive. Okay, so big, even a IAS, KAS can do the tabulation of data, visualization, presentation, drawing a pie chart, bar chart. All those things will be included in the examination general paper or in a. It's important for you be ready for the competitive examinations, or you are joining any company. There also it's important you got the data properly in Excel. Use those, use the data properly presented with the diagram chart and upright presentation so that easily anybody can read it and easily. That basic knowledge is required as a graduate. When you go out of the college, basic simple things are required. That is why statistics for business is one this part. So you have to concentrate on this well, prepare well for your life as well as for your exam. Much about the unit 2. I will be solving some problems, uploading it later one by one. That will help you practicing the problems also. For that, I request you please subscribe to my channel, share the videos with your friends also, ask them also to write it, learn it. Okay, learn. When you are learning, you have to practice it, write it on a paper, on a proper notebook, then only you will succeed. Okay, and those students who have backlogs, for them also this is my suggestion, that when you are watching my videos, maintain one proper notebook. If I am not seeing your notes or your teacher is not seeing your notes, it doesn't. Prepare a proper notebook, practice it properly, and you will have a lot of chances of scoring 80 out of practice properly. Okay, I hope that everything makes sense here, and it is being helpful to you. You are going to share all these videos with others. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and subscribe to the Taj Edge. Thank you.